English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 6.
Is this where I can pay?
No, our machines are broken. Are the meeting rooms all busy?
Yes, I'm afraid so.
Is this my desk? Are the windows open? Is your phone working? Are these your files? Is that drawer locked? Is his desk clean?
Do you have an appointment?
No. Could I make one for today, please?
Does he work with you?
Yes. He works in my office.
Do they come in early? Does he have a key for this drawer? Does your laptop have a DVD drive? Do Jim and Tom have new screens? Do you keep pens in your desk drawer? Does Sarah write the minutes? Do all employees have wall calendars?
So, welcome to the company, Karen. The meeting room's busy now, so let's go to the kitchen and make a drink before we find somewhere to sit down.
Okay. Are there team meetings every week?
Actually, teams meet every day. This is a heads of department meeting with the company CEO.
Oh, Mrs. Murray. Does she often come to this office?
Only about once a month. Here we are. What would you like to drink?
I'd like a coffee, please. Wow! Look at all those refreshments. Do I pay for these drinks and snacks?
No, everything is free here, but you do have to pay in the canteen. And there are lots of cakes here today because it's Mrs. Murray's birthday.
Oh. Do you have parties for everyone's birthdays?
No, only the heads of department and the CEO bring in cakes like this for their birthdays.
Right. Oh, I remember. I need to check my email. The HR department are sending me a welcome email today. Is there a Wi-Fi code I can use to connect to the internet?
Yes, it changes quite often, but the code is always on the notice board here.
Where is the staff room?
Go down to the second floor.
When does Mia start work?
She usually starts at 9.
How does the scanner work? What would you like to drink? Where is the cafeteria? Why is he late? Who is giving the presentation? When does the meeting start?
When are you going on vacation? Where are the cups? What is the photocopier code? How do I turn off the screen? Why is this drawer always locked? When does the cafeteria open? Who do I ask for printer ink? What do you discuss at meetings?
Where is the stationery cabinet?
It's across from the meeting room.
Who do I ask about taking a day off?
You need to talk to Anne in HR.
When is the restaurant usually busy?
It's always full on weekend evenings.
Why is the stationery cabinet locked?
So that Marie can control the stock.
How does this coffee machine work?
Turn it on and then select your drink.
What time does the meeting start?
At 2 o'clock. We usually start on time.
Who is in your team? What can I do to help you? Do you know where the key is?
When does the store open?
How do I connect the keyboard? Why is her desk always a mess?
How do you travel to work? Where are the paper clips and pens? What is for lunch today? Why do we use old computers? When do they close the office?
End of Lesson 6.